One of the gentlemen asked what was my aha moment and what maybe I guess helped me get there. And it was,
Yeah.
I told him the whole 2.5 years. I told him the whole 2.5 years, the one rule that I always broke with you was not journaling.
Yes.
And I always kept telling myself, "Oh man, I can just journal in my head." You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, thank you. And listen, this is why I say too every day, right? Valhalla and everybody else listening. We've trained on the same things the whole time, but until you are ready to hear it and absorb it, none of this matters. I used to sit in this seat 16 hours a day without taking any breaks, and I did that for what, a year and a half? If you weren't going to get it at 16 hours a day of me doing it, what is it going to take for you to drink in this knowledge? It's you, right? I'm pointing at all of you right now. It's all in you, but until you are ready, none of this is going to matter. Until you're ready to drink it in, I've been saying the same things. I've trained every person in this room on the exact same things. Everybody in this room that's training others is training on the exact same things that I trained them on, that we've all been doing every single day, every day. But until you are ready to hear it, none of it matters, right? Until you can apply it, none of it matters. So that's why I said some of you will get it in a month. Some of you it could take 10 years until you finally go, now I'm going to listen. Everybody knows the rules. Everybody knows when to do what. Some of you are going to listen and a lot of you will not. Am I right? There's going to be so many of you that'll just do your own thing, not listen at all, and wonder why you're not getting any better. You guys do realize you pay me for a reason, not just to listen to my stupid jokes. You guys pay me for a reason, to help you navigate this market, to figure out what some good strategies possibly are, to figure out when you could make money and when you might not make money, right? I'm not the one over there clicking the buttons for you. I'm just giving you the ideas of different areas and things you can look out for. And well, what does that mean? And what's the overall market? And what happens when different leaders come in and the way that they're going to respond to crypto markets, and what's that going to do for the markets, and AI and robotics and these cars and autonomous driving and technology and AR and VR.
The difference between not listening, I don't think I ever had more than 2 days green in a row in
Right.
2.5 years.
Right.
Shame on me, right?
Yes, that's
But
crazy.
when I decided to start listening and being more patient, I am 10 days in a row green now.
Yeah, which is phenomenal. That's
I mean, they're not big wins,
Yep.
but I'm still green. But now I feel like I've really got something to build off of. And
Yeah, as soon as you start stringing those wins together, this is the other thing that everybody in this room needs to understand. So when I'm saying these small position sizes, that's to protect you from blowing your accounts. That is going to help protect you blowing up your accounts. And here's what I want you to understand. That's the biggest thing ever, is that if you guys are stringing together small wins, your account will grow massively over time. Two reasons for that. The biggest reason is because you're not losing money anymore. When you guys were just losing money constantly, your account gets wiped out real fast. If you have small, consistent gains because you're not losing the money, your account will look like it's growing exponentially. And over time, it will start to snowball. And then you can increase position sizes, which gets you more money, and so on and so forth. But I want you guys to think about it. If you had 3 red months in a row and you looked at your account versus 3 months in a row where you're trading flat or barely making any money, I guarantee you're going to look at trading differently and be like, oh my gosh, I can actually do this. Where the 3 months before, you're like, this isn't for me. This is terrible. I don't know what I'm doing. Why are the things and doing the stuff? And I click and then it goes my way every time. And I'm going to add here when I'm losing. Coach doesn't say that, but you know what? I'm going to make it back right now. I'm going to double down on this one. Oh, that wasn't a good trade, but this one, well, oh, shit, it did it again. Wait a minute, I'm going against the trend, but that's okay. It looks like it's going to bounce, and then, oh, damn it, and then stop it. Just stop. Small position sizes. Wait for A+ trade setups. Listen to the sound of my voice. Stop being a clown. How's that? Stop clowning. Stop it. All of you.